This video is part 2 of our 10 countries in 10 days series. Subscribe to keep up with our adventures, and give us a like if you're enjoying the ride.
We took an early flight from Dublin to London, rode a coach into the city, and grabbed a black cab to the British Museum.
We were there before it opened, and the line was literally about a quarter of a mile around the block. But the line went pretty quickly, and before you knew it, we were in.
Both the entrance and the atrium were impressive. But we were there to take a tour that explained how many of the artifacts in the museum directly confirm things that were written in the Bible. It really was a fascinating tour. We rode in a black cab and now we're on a double-decker bus. My London dreams are coming true.
We used that hop-on, hop-off bus as a way to see the main sights of London and to get around the city cheaply. But now we're headed to Burrow Market, which has been a place to buy food for literally hundreds of years. Alright, we're here in Borough Market in London, and we're gonna both go out and pick our own meal. She's gonna get an appetizer of some kind. I'm gonna get some sort of entree, and then we're each gonna get our own drink, and then we're gonna come back and see who picked out the best. You guys are gonna decide. Alright, see you soon.
I already did my research and I know what I want. I just have to find it in here. So I'm gonna walk around this maze and figure that out.
I'd love to get fish and chips. We're gonna have that tomorrow. Hickory bread, wild mushroom risotto. She would absolutely hate that.
Okay, but I haven't found it yet. But I've seen like 10 other things I want to eat.
Ooh, Scotch egg.
I think I'm close. I'm like a minute away. I wonder if Nathan's found his food yet.
Right, now I'm getting video of you guys. Hello.
I'm only videoing myself because Nathan wants me to. I love him so much. Oh, look at that, I found it. There is a line, but what I read is it's definitely worth the line. So I am going to decide if I want the toasty, I go to the right, or if I want the raclette, then I go to the left. I'm gonna get the raclette.
All right, I'm ordering the marinated chicken wrap. I'll be honest, I'm a little disappointed in my decision. I kind of panicked. There's so much here. I really wish I had done some more investigation. Perfect.
Okay, here's my plate of food. Now, I went through this whole maze, so I'm not sure how to get back to the meeting point with Nathan.
I got my chicken wrap. Now I need a drink. And I have no idea if I want to be able to find my way back to where we started.
I'm just gonna walk through here and find a drink, and then hopefully go find Nathan. Sounds like a plan.
Oh my goodness, where am I? I'm so turned around. Well, Jessica's not lost. Wonder how Jessica's doing.
Thank you. That's my soda.
I think we might have come in this way. Ooh, tacos al pastor. Ooh, actually this looks familiar. Okay, this looks familiar. This is going to be slightly embarrassing when Jessica sees this. I got lost.
With him for 10 minutes, sir.
Yeah, no, I remember him. I just never saw his video.
Yeah. He was there.
You know.
Good news. I tried a sample, and I realized I know where I'm at, because it was the risotto with mushrooms that I said Jessica would hate. So that means I've been here before. So now I'm following my breadcrumbs back to the beginning. Oh yes, and everything's looking familiar now. I passed all this bread. I look really good on the way in. It's this way. I know where I'm going. One thing I have absolutely failed at is getting a drink. Let's find out if Jessica made it. So good news and bad news. Good news is I found my way back. Bad news is Jessica's not here. So either she got lost also, or she just hasn't found what she's looking for, or something. I think I'm gonna have to turn my phone on so I can text with her. There she is.
It took me a while to find you.
I just got.
But it's London Raclette cheese, and then they put it on top of new potatoes, baby new potatoes, with a side of pickles. If there's pickles, I'm in. And then also, I got this hot apple cider drink because it's kind of rainy and cold and seemed like it would be.
Okay. So that's our appetizer.
Yes, what'd you get?
I got a chicken wrap
What's
from
chicken?
a Cyprus restaurant. As close as I get to a falafel. Well, not probably there are falafel. No, there are falafel strips. Souvlaki.
That looks good.
Yeah. All right, let's give it a try.
Okay. The cheese is good.
Yeah?
Let me try the pickle.
Pickle.
The combination is good.
That's where it's at.
Yeah.
And it's definitely cold now.
It's cold, but you still get the flavor coming through. Flavor of the cheese is good.
Cheese is really good. Potatoes are kind of bland, but yeah, cheese is good.
Cheese is really good.
All right,
And if it wasn't cold because I walked around too long finding you, I'm excited to try that one.
It's good.
It's very good.
It's not like knock your socks off, but it's good.
It's very good. I feel like if you tried mine hot, but this is good.
All right, so we're gonna finish eating here, but tell us in the comments who you guys think won our little fun competition here in London.
Next to Borough Market, we popped into a little pub that was known for their sticky toffee pudding. And wow, was that delicious. The British dessert completely exceeded our expectations.
But we couldn't eat too much because next we were heading to Dishoom Indian Cuisine for a dinner reservation. Multiple people recommended this place to us, and it was super good. I think we just ate too much food earlier in the day to properly enjoy it.
From there, it was just a short walk to our hotel, citizenM in Shoreditch. And if you're in the area, I would recommend this hotel.
This room is so tiny and so adorable. I mean, this is it. There's the entrance. That's where you do some things. That's where you do cleaner things.
You got this little balloon animal wood figure.
Balloon animal. The lights and stuff are controlled by an iPad. And yeah, this is adorable, but it's super nice. Super modern looking, clean.
The breakfast the next morning was a really good spread.
And speaking of the next day, things are about to change tomorrow. Stay tuned for a little recap, and thanks for watching. Let's recap real quick what's happened the last couple of days. On Wednesday, we left from Cincinnati, Ohio, flew to New York. We got off out of the airport to spend about 4 or 5 hours in the city. Then our plane flew into Oslo, and from Oslo to Dublin, where we spent a day there. And then from Dublin, we came here yesterday to England on Friday. Today's Saturday. Now, up to this point, I've known the schedule. I knew we were going to Dublin. I knew we were coming here. But tonight, we leave for somewhere else.
I know where we're going, but Nathan doesn't know. So what I've done is I've booked the next 8 flights the cheapest flight that I could find on Google Flights anywhere in the world. So let's see where we go. I know where I'm going, but Nathan doesn't. So it's gonna be a jolly old good time.